The Mrs. Lincoln loaf. Fun fact, one of Abraham Lincoln's favorite desserts was his wife's white almond cake. In fact, it is the very cake she baked to woo him. So we at Chatty Cupcakes have put together this baking kit for bakers everywhere to woo their loved ones with this delicious dessert. And right now, I'm going to show you just how quickly and easily it whips together. Every box comes with perfectly pre-measured ingredients and a set of instructions, so all you have to do is pop them into a bowl and mix together, barely a thought required. We really wanted to prioritize the unparalleled joys of baking from scratch while minimizing any possible stressors like having to plan and go out and purchase expensive ingredients, often ones you'll never use again. We also supply keepsake gifts and the exact recipe because, like Abraham Lincoln, we're confident your taste buds will be swooning so much you'll want to make it again and again. And as you can see, the batter comes together seamlessly. You pour it into the supplied 9x5 baking pan with a silicone spatula, pop it into your oven, and out will come this beautiful golden almond loaf cake, soft with those gorgeous flecks of crunchy toasted almonds throughout. But we are not done yet because we want to take the best and make it even better. So we found this luxurious gourmet holiday jam that is so good, it demands to be shoveled. Yes, I said shoveled onto each piece of Mrs. Lincoln's loaf. And then, without further ado, my favorite part. Properly wooed. And that's how easy it is to make.